Day one on the Comanche build, the 88 Jeep Comanche. Probably not going to be doing a whole lot of building today, but this is it, the official Second Chance Jeeps Jeep MJ. Now, a few people on Instagram said, why Second Chance Jeeps? And it's really simple. When I was rebuilding the Jeep that I drive, the daily driver, it's a 2013 JK. My friend and I were working on it and just got really frustrated because things weren't going our way, and we're just like, come on, you stupid Jeep, I'm trying to give you a second chance at life, because it had been totaled. And the joke just kind of stuck, and then alas, Second Chance Jeeps. So we picked this up last week, and really not going to do a whole lot today. Just want to get Grandpa's camper off the back of it, get the toolbox out of the bed, just kind of clean the bed out, make sure that the bed floor is in good shape because it's got a like a bed mat in there. And then maybe start hopefully pulling out the interior, because I want to be able to check out those floor pans, see how bad they really are. Didn't really get a good look at them when we were looking at the MJ the other day. Just kind of pulled the carpet back and peeked in there and looked at it from underneath. So fingers crossed that it is not the absolute worst. And here we go. Now that Grandpa's camper's off, it's looking quite a bit better, not surprisingly. Bed's all nice and cleaned out. It's actually got a back window now, and it's in really good shape. But the one thing that we're missing is a sticker. There we go. Truck's pretty much done. pretty happy with the progress that we made today. We got the interior gutted, the seat is out. You may have seen me using super long extensions on those seatbelt bolts. It worked on the passenger side, did not work on the driver's side, so I just had to cut the carpet around it. The issue is that bolt is so low, it's right along the floor pan, and it's really difficult to get a, I think it's a T50 in there and get enough leverage. So I was just using long extensions so I could kind of push on it from across the vehicle. So we'll eventually get that one out, not really worried about it. So the floor pans look about as expected. Passenger side, you can see, I'll go over there and get a better shot of it. But driver side, looking pretty rough. Sorry for the lighting, I gotta pick up some new lights. Not really a surprise. I was kind of expecting it to be pretty bad, and it is. So got some floor pans on order, got a welder on the way, and we're gonna get to work on that very soon, hopefully. Here's the carpet. You probably saw it came out in about 5 pieces. I wasn't really concerned with keeping it in one piece because it's obviously not getting used again. Passenger side, I think, is in better shape than the driver's side. The driver's side, the rot goes almost all the way over to the trans tunnel. So this is it. Not the worst, not the best, but we'll get it done. So I got everything done that we wanted to do today. Pretty happy about that. So we'll catch you on the next one. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe and to give a thumbs up or hit the bell notification so that way you get a notification every time a new video comes out. Talk to you on the next one.